You guys stand over the sink. I promise you. Stand over the sink.
Alright, what do you do? Just.
Hold on, wait.
Ready? Put it in your mouth. You put your lip over it so you get all of it in
Yeah.
your mouth. So you.
Alright, flatten it out.
It tastes better if you just put it all in your mouth at once. Just don't
Alright,
do
it
it
doesn't
slowly.
taste good at all.
Alright, you recording?
I am.
You guys gotta go. She's recording.
Ready? One, two. Don't sleep.
Alright.
We have to. We're down here. Wait, Amy, are you doing it? I'm gonna do it later.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Oh, okay.
Okay, you guys,
Do it
she's recording.
later.
It only records for so
Alright.
long.
1, 2, 3. Are you okay? They're both literally dying. Happy New Year.
Mother trucker.